People around the rest of the world call Smokey and the Bandit a movie, but in Texas, it's a documentary.
What can I say about Smokey and the Bandit and, of course, the title track Eastbound and Down? I saw the movie the first time when I was about like 7 or 8 years old, and I was just like blown away. I mean, I loved everything about the movie, the story, the cause, and then of course Burt Reynolds. In my opinion, Burt Reynolds was the best actor of all the ones from the 70s. I mean, like, nobody could touch him. All his movies, like, it doesn't matter if it was Deliverance or of course like Smokey and the Bandit and all those other movies. I mean, Burt has always been and will always be a legend, even he's no longer with us. And that's exactly the reason why I wanted to do a cover of Eastbound and Down.
Hey, what's up, guys? It's me, Jaret, from the band Bowling for Soup. I gotta be honest, when Alex asked me to sing on a song, first of all, I was like, of course, I would love to sing on a Shameless song. Man, guy's been doing it and doing it right for so long, and met Alex because he was a Bowling for Soup fan. And so Alex asked me to be on a song. Come to find out, he wanted to do Eastbound and Down. Well, Eastbound and Down is pretty much my favorite theme song for any movie ever. I've been singing that song since I was a little kid. My brother and I watched Smokey and the Bandit over and over again. We would actually do the lines in the back of the car, you know, as my parents drove and stuff. So finding out that he wanted to cover Eastbound and Down and do sort of a rock version of it, I, of course, was very stoked. And then bonus, to find out that I'm playing on a song with Bruce Kulick of Kiss fame, who I was a fan of. I actually saw him play with the band on the Crazy Nights tour, and that was cool. And then I remember on the DVD, the one where he's coming down the stairs and he's like, edit her out, edit her out. There's like girls scantily clad going up the stairs. So that's super cool. And then also to be on a song with Alex Kane of LSD. It's just crazy. So to be asked to be on this song means a lot to me. Just doing the song itself means a lot to me. And man, I think it came out great. So enjoy our version of Eastbound and Down, and can't wait for the next one. Who's next? Who are we going to get next, Alex? Got to get, let's get somebody. Let's get George Harrison. Wait, no, wait, we can't get him. Okay, I should go before I totally mess this up. All right, thank you for watching, and enjoy Eastbound and Down by Shameless and me.
Hey everybody, it's Bruce Kulick. Why do I have a cowboy hat on? Well, I got something exciting to share with you all. There's a band named Shameless. Now, I'm good friends with Alex from the group. I've done some work with them in the past, and they decided to cover a really amazing country song called Eastbound and Down. Now, this song was famous in the Smokey and the Bandit movie from 1977, featuring Burt Reynolds, Sally Fields, Jackie Gleason. It was all about bootleggers and truckers and fast Pontiac Trans Ams, a real exciting movie that everyone loves. Now, the song is amazing. Jaret Reddick, who's also in the movie, he did a fantastic job writing this and performing on it. He's an amazing guitarist. Now, there's a fantastic YouTube of him and another guitar player playing dual solos that were just they blew my mind, I have to be honest. And now Alex is asking me to perform lead guitars on his version, which is just as fast and really wild. Of course, his version is rockin', but I gotta fit some countrified Bruce Kulick riffs on top of Eastbound and Down. Well, it was a challenge. I like challenges. I reached out to a buddy of mine in Nashville who's an incredible guitar player, Joe McGinnis, and I said, what do I do? And he really, just said, be you. I know you're going to get this. I heard you play some country riffs before on things like, I think on MTV we fooled around and did God of Thunder country style, right? It was an outtake, obviously. But that kind of gave me the confidence to really tackle this. So there I was, harmony guitars, really killing myself trying to do something that was appropriate. Not exactly rock, not exactly country. It was all Bruce Kulick riffs. Now, last but not least, there's also a really cool singer on the track, Jaret Reddick from Bowling for Soup. Very cool band from Texas. That gives it a little more credibility, doesn't it? So I really think you're going to enjoy this track. It's by Shameless, featuring Bruce Kulick on guitars, doing Eastbound and Down from Jerry Reed, Smokey and the Bandit. Yeehaw!
I'm gonna barbecue your ass in molasses.